where I went wrong, must have took the wrong turn, tripping over crossed wires, speaking in a foreign tongue. I thought I made myself clear, set it in stone. Now the serpent draws nearer, you can't make it alone. I try and make you listen, but you didn't hear a word I said. Certain things have risen in that sense, you're already dead. I swear I'll never give up, forgive you every hiccup, and you follow have you picked up. As long as you can live up to the promises you make to me, wait and see, I'll save you from my place you would hate to be. But you've forsaken me, you're nearly breaking me. Heart is aching and racing with the hate I see. I give you a gift, the gift of life, and you mutilate your wound with a carving knife. There's no one else to blame for the things you've been through. You choose your own path to get to where you've been to.
I've got a name for my pain. 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 I've got a name for my pain.
Now if you had a child and you loved them so, made it a mission to keep them safe and you watched them grow, would you fear for them, shed a tear for them, be here for them, try to solve their problems, make everything clear for them? And if you had another, a brother for him to smother with love, would you feel complete? Would that be enough? How would you feel if you woke one day and realised one of them was gone, he'd been taken away? Would you remember those nights when you held them close, said they'd be okay and rocked them back and forth, softly stroked their cheek to relieve their fears, kissed them on the head, wiped away their tears? And what you see next fills your heart with pain and fear, cripples your compassion, reduces your tears. The tears drip and mingle with the blood that rushed from them. One killed forever by the one you loved as much as them.
I've got a name for my pain. 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 I've got a name for my pain.
You've been given a gift, it's up to you how you use it. A path leads anywhere if you're brave enough to choose it. Ignore your inhibitions, start living, stop wishing, for you know what time is up and all that's left is reminiscing. You talk about the pressure, but the pressure's all in me. Torture soul screaming, why did we never get to be? I gave you free will and your conscience is a mentor. Every person on this planet is for someone else to care for. Take the time to think it over before you start attacking this, cause when you kill another then you smother someone's happiness. People mother and maim and the blame is in the relevance, ripping up the planet, making weapons with the elements. The opposite of me, you see, is deadly like a cancer. Because of it, I'll be there for you, waiting with the answer. I'm always there beside you, just smiling as you're playing this. You say I don't affect you, but I made the MC seeing this.
I've got a name for my pain. 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 I've got a name for my pain.